Interest in learning technology is always growing, and even elementary schools are now offering software programming or coding classes. Hi, I'm Andrew Williams, founder and CEO of QPET. That's PET for Programming Education Technology, and we offer an education platform where young learners can enjoy learning coding. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Georgia Tech. In America, I worked as an engineer for Qualcomm, which brought me to Korea many times for business trips. I moved to Korea 10 years ago and have taught physics and technology in international schools in Seoul. Sunny Kwan has worked as sales manager for Robot Kits for Education. He's also taught robotics in after-school programs in middle and elementary schools. When I taught programming at the high school level, I used the C and Java programming languages. But nowadays, coding education for elementary students uses graphic block-based coding, like Scratch and Hour of Code. But both of these are still computer-only type learning, meaning that the students are just sitting looking at the computer screen all class. With QPET, we use similar graphic block-based software, and we add the Q-Series hardware, so students are learning coding by making projects with software and hardware together. This is much more engaging for the students because they're creating things with their own hands, and teachers like it because the students are more active in interacting with each other. The Q-Series hardware takes the students from beginner level up to coding expert. We start with the QPET board, which has buttons, buzzer, LEDs, motor drivers, everything needed to start learning coding. As the students' skills increase, they progress to Q cars, Q creatures, and finally a humanoid robot, the Qmanoid. I took some QPET boards to try out with some elementary students in Seoul. The kids really did get excited when the things that they built and programmed themselves started moving and blinking and making sounds. The QPET software has a colorful graphic interface with blocks for buttons, motors, buzzer, LEDs. The students connect the blocks to build a program and then upload the program by USB to bring their project to life. What we offer at QPET is an all-in-one coding education solution with software, hardware, and curriculum. Our main business connections will be with school supply vendors who have access to many schools and after-school programs. We'll also sell directly to schools, to parents, and we're always looking forward to the international market. Here we see the market size and sales goals. You can see that starting from the year 2018, the market will greatly expand. This is because it's been announced that in Korea, coding education will enter the regular classroom for middle and elementary schools from the year 2018. This is actually a key reason why we're starting QPET in Korea, to take advantage of this upcoming opportunity. Schools and parents would love for their children to learn coding, and children love robots. Both parents and children's dreams can come true with QPET.